You have been using ChatGPT at 10% of its power. Here are 10 settings that change everything. Step 1. Custom instructions. Most users type the same context into every conversation. Their job, their tone preference, how long they want answers. That is wasted tokens every single time. Go to Settings, then Personalization, then Custom Instructions. As of July 15, 2026, the character limit increased from 1,500 to 5,000 for Plus, Pro, Enterprise, Business, and Education accounts. Write your role, your goals, your preferred response format once. It applies to every chat, including existing ones, immediately. Step 2. Memory. ChatGPT can remember facts across sessions, your projects, preferences, ongoing context. But by default on the free plan, it only saves memories you trigger. On Plus and Pro, as of June 4, 2026, automatic memory is active. It updates your memory summary continuously and doubled your memory capacity. Go to Settings, Personalization, Memory to see exactly what it knows. You can correct, delete, or expand any entry. Memory sources are now shown in line. Click the sources icon below any response to see which past chats it pulled from. Step 3. Projects. If you work on anything recurring, a client, a code base, a research topic, projects are your permanent workspace. Each project has its own custom instructions, uploaded files, and memory scope. Plus users can upload up to 25 files per project. Pro users get 40. Connect Google Drive, Slack channels, or paste notes directly. Project-only memory means context stays isolated. What you discuss in a project does not bleed into your general chats. Step 4. Advanced Data Analysis. This is Code Interpreter. Every paid plan has it. Upload a CSV, a spreadsheet, a PDF with numbers, ask for a regression, a chart, a scenario simulation. ChatGPT executes Python code in a sandboxed environment, shows you the code, and returns the output. As of February 13, 2026, you can upload up to 20 files in a single message, up from 10. If you are analyzing data in spreadsheets without this, you are doing extra work for no reason. Step 5. Canvas. When you need to write or edit a long document or a code file collaboratively with ChatGPT, do not do it in the chat window. Canvas opens a side-by-side editor where you can highlight sections, request targeted edits, run Python, and share the result with a link. Available in GPT 4.0 for all plans since December 2024. Note, Canvas is not available in GPT 5.5 Instant or GPT 5.5 Thinking. Use writing blocks or code blocks for those models. Step 6. Scheduled tasks. ChatGPT can run tasks autonomously on a schedule, search the web, check connected apps, compile results, and notify you only when something is worth reporting. Available for Plus, Pro, Business, and Enterprise. Tasks can run as often as once an hour. A daily briefing, a price monitor, a weekly summary, set it once. The scheduled page in the sidebar shows active tasks, upcoming runtimes, and lets you pause, resume, or edit. Step 7. Voice mode with GPT Live 1. The current voice engine is GPT Live 1 for paid users. It supports real-time interruptions, ongoing language translation. Ask it to translate between 2 languages, and it keeps translating until you tell it to stop. On paid plans, voice adapts to your custom instructions for speaking speed, tone, and length. Video and screen sharing are available, but subject to daily limits and excluded from the EU and select European countries. Step 8. Custom GPTs. You can build a version of ChatGPT tuned to a specific workflow, a writing assistant with your brand voice, a customer research tool with your company context, a code reviewer with your style guide. Go to the GPT editor, add instructions and knowledge files, enable Canvas, and save. GPTs with custom actions currently support GPT 4.0 and GPT 4.1. Share the link with your team. User-created GPTs are not affected by model retirements. Step 9. Temporary chat. When you do not want a conversation saved to memory or history, a sensitive topic, a throwaway task, a test, use temporary chat. It does not use existing memories, does not create new ones, and does not appear in chat history. Find it in the chat menu. This is the privacy mode most users have never clicked. Step 10. Lockdown mode. If you are in a regulated environment or need to prevent ChatGPT from using live web data, legal research, sensitive financial analysis,
Lockdown mode disables live web browsing, deep research, agent mode, file downloads, and some web-derived images. Available to all logged-in users, it is the setting that makes ChatGPT behave like a closed, deterministic reasoning engine with no external data access. Here's the summary. Custom instruction saves context on every call. Memory makes every session smarter than the last. Projects give recurring work a permanent brain. Advanced data analysis turns spreadsheets into instant analysis. Canvas is your collaborative document editor. Scheduled task runs monitoring on autopilot. Voice with GPT Live 1 is a full real-time assistant. Custom GPTs are specialized tools for your specific workflow. Temporary chat is the privacy mode. Lockdown mode is the closed environment switch. You have been using one of these 10. The other 9 are live in your account right now. Subscribe and follow along. All week we go deeper into ChatGPT power features.